Morning traders, Nick Massandrea, Market Tea Leaves here to bring our daily market bias video for Wednesday, March 4th. It's approximately 5:45 or quarter to 6 a.m. on the East Coast. We will take a look at the overnight session in Asia. Asia traded mixed, if you will. About half the exchanges trading higher, the other half trading lower. Currently right now in Europe, and this current and ongoing, Europe is open and trading. All of Europe is trading to the upside, with many of these exchanges trading into positive triple-digit territory. Now, we're going to take a look at market correlation as it stands. U.S. dollar is trading higher. The bonds are trading higher. The S&P, NASDAQ, Dow Jones Industrial Average all point to a higher open. Gold is now trading lower. Up until a little while ago was in positive territory. It is now degrading into negative territory, but it's fractional at best at this particular point. And crude oil is also trading higher. Now, if we were to take a look at economic news we have in the docket today for the U.S. markets, we do quite a bit, if you will. At 8:15 we have ADP non-farm employment change, which would dovetail very nicely into Friday's non-farm payroll report. At 9:45 we have final services. At 10 a.m. we have ISM non-manufacturing PMI. At 10:30 crude oil inventories. And then at 2 o'clock this afternoon we have the Fed Beige Book. All this being said, a bias is neutral. And the reason why I'm suggesting a neutral bias is just about everything that we're looking at is pointing higher. Whenever you have a situation where everything is pointing higher, or conversely, everything is pointing lower, there is no correlation, which means the market doesn't have any real sense of direction. It could go anywhere, if you will, even though currently right now it's pointing higher, and that may still prevail. From our point of view, from a market correlation point of view, it's not a correlated market. The U.S. dollar is trading higher. The bonds are trading higher. In theory, what should be happening is they should be trading lower, and the indices themselves should be pointing higher. And that's not happening right now. Basically, everything is pointing higher. So we're not necessarily dealing with a correlated market. As such, our bias is neutral, which means the markets could go in any direction today. Something to be mindful of trading. Could this change? Absolutely. Anything is possible in the volatile market. Thanks. Hope this helps. Look forward to the next time with you.